Okay, so I lied. I actually do have some more updates for you. Um, I am now doing site modeling from through Facebook. And actually one of them has a website and the other one is going to be making the website. Um, so the sites I model for are Alex Addicted Site Modeling, which is super well known, both on here and Facebook and just about everywhere else. Um, I also model for Broken Glass Site Modeling, and Bows and Arrows Site Modeling, and just recently, just today, um, I got accepted to do modeling for Toxic Beauty site modeling. So if you guys are interested or not, doesn't really matter. Okay. Go check them out on Facebook. Just search them in, or search them, type them in search. Um, I'll, I'll also put the links down below. Um, so yeah. And of course, my site model name is Mexicantropy. It's usually what I go by um, with online stuff. So yeah, that's just my update for you. Have a great weekend. And TGIF.